Today's topic is 13 May. May 13 is this day all those special events happened. May 13, 1607, the first permanent British settlement on American soil in Jamestown, Virginia. 1638, construction of the Red Fort in Delhi began under the supervision of Emperor Shah Jahan. 1804, Joseph ceremonially sent troops from Tripoli to retake the city of Tirana from American invasion. May 13, 1813, Ecuador becomes an independent republic. 1861, inauguration of the first railway in Pakistan, part of British India. 1968, Indian first Muslim president takes office, Zakaria Hussain. 1968, Vietnam Peace talks begin in Paris. May 13, 1809, Napoleon captures Vienna, defeating the Austrian army. 1864, United States declares war on Mexico. 1962, Dr. Sarah Bowling Radhakrishna was sworn in as the second president of India. 1967, Dr. was ushered in as the third president of India, Zakir Hussain. May 13, 1969, 100 die in Rixed Roast in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. 1991, Nepal's first parliament election are held. 1995, Alison of British descent became the first woman to climb Everest without oxygen and Sherpa. 2000, Indians Lara Dutta wins the Miss World title. May 13 is this day all the famous people who were born. May 13, 1221, Alexander Nevsky, Crown Prince of Kiev. 1265, Italian poet Dante Alighieri. 1483, Martin Luther, German religious leader or reformer. 1707, Carolus Linnaeus, a physician and veterinarian. May 13, 1857, Roland Rose, a Nobel Prize winning Scottish physician. 1905, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed, the 5th President of India. 1907, Daphne du Maurier, English writer and playwright. 1918, Bala Saraswati, famous Indian dancer. May 13, 1938, Giuliano Amato, Italian politician. 1939, Harvey Keitel, American actor. 1951, Abu Saleh A. Raim. 1966, Niaz Murshid, Grand Master of the subcontinent in chess, a Bangladeshi chess player. May 13, 1967, Melanie Thornton, American pop singer who rose to fame in Germany and is a member of the Europe dance group La Bachi. 1977, Ismant Morton, English cricketer, screenwriter and director. 1978, Noab Jawasa Colombo, born Sri Lanka international cricketer. 1981, Sunny Leon, Canadian and Indian actor of Indian descent, actor, businessman, model and farmer, porn star. May 13, 1986, Lena Dunham, American actor, writer, producer and director. 1986, Robert Pattinson, English actor. 1987, Antonio Adon, Spanish footballer. 1993, Romelu Lukaku, Belgium footballer. May 13 is this day all the famous people who have died. May 13, 1836, Sir Charles Wilkins, an Indian theorist. 1887, Bengali poet, writer, journalist and essayist Rangalal Bandyopadhyay. 1938, Charles Eduardo Guillaume, France, Swiss physicist. 1947, Sukanta Bhattacharya, a poet with a progressive spirit in Bengali literature. May 13, 1961, Gray Goppard, American film actor. 1963, Sukumar Sen, the first election commissioner of India and the first vice chancellor of the University of Burdwan. 1974, Khodabaks, one of the pioneers of insurance industry in Bangladesh. 1997, journalist Faction Biplab Das. May 13, 1999, Abdul Aziz Ibn Baz, Saudi Arabia's leading Islamic scholar and leading figure in Salafi ideology. 2001, Arakanariana Renowned Indian writer. 2005, Utpal Sen, a prominent Bengali singer. 2011, Badal Government, internationally renowned Bengali theatre personality. 2019, Doris Dia, American film actor and musician. May 13 is a special day. Have not any holidays. Thank you everyone watching all video. Please subscribe and click the bell button. Get new video right away. Like and comment and share with your friend.